In the heart of every kitchen lies precision, artistry, and the right blade. Shun cutlery, handcrafted in Japan, brings centuries of samurai sword-making tradition to the modern chef's hand. The Shun Classic 8-inch Kiritsuke, your all-purpose chef's knife with an edge of elegance. Known as the master's knife in Japan, it combines the finesse of a vegetable knife with the slicing power of a yanagiba. Perfect for precision cuts, julienning, or ultra-thin sashimi slices. Its versatility redefined. Shun Classic 3.5-inch paring knife. For detail work that demands control, the 3.5-inch paring knife is your go-to. Ideal for peeling, trimming, and delicate garnishes. It fits naturally in hand, small in size but mighty in purpose. Shun Classic 9-inch bread knife. The classic 9-inch bread knife features low-frequency serrations that glide through crusty loaves without tearing the soft interior. But it's not just for bread. Think tomatoes, melons, even layer cakes. Clean slices, no pressure. Shun Classic 6-inch utility knife. Caught between the tasks of a chef's knife and a paring knife? Meet the 6-inch utility knife. Great for trimming, sandwich prep, and precision cuts when a larger blade is too much. It's the unsung hero of everyday prep. Shun Classic 6-inch Gokujo boning fillet knife. With its curved, narrow blade, the 6-inch Gokujo is designed for precision boning and filleting. Whether it's poultry, fish, or trimming meat, this blade moves cleanly along the bone and under the skin. Flexible, but firm. The premier 5.5-inch Nakiri. With its straight edge and hammered tsuchaime finish, it cuts through produce like silk. No rocking, just clean, confident cuts. Beauty meets utility. And for those who prefer the classic line, the 6.5-inch Nakiri offers the same straight-edged performance with a longer reach. Ideal for chopping, dicing, or scooping vegetables from board to pan, balanced, efficient, unmistakably Shun. Order your Shun knives now at Telquest International.